Hey my cookies! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my super easy and delicious stuffed crawfish bread. Let's cook. We're going to start by melting some butter in our pan, and to that I'm going to add my diced onion and bell peppers. Make sure they're finely diced. We're going to saute those around for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we can add in our minced garlic. Y'all know my rule, don't burn my doggone garlic. Give it about 30 seconds of sauteing. Now we can add in our crawfish tails, and to that I want to just stir it around a little bit. They're fully cooked, so we're not cooking them. They're already cooked, we're just warming them. So I'm going to add in my Cajun seasoning, some onion powder, and y'all always mess with me. Coop puts this in everything. You damn Skippy. Add in that liquid shrimp and crab boil. It adds just the right amount of heat and flavor. We need that. Give it all a good stir, turn that heat down to low, and we're literally going to allow this to simmer for about 2 minutes. You do not want to overcook your crawfish tails. When that's done, we can go ahead and pour it on top of some softened cream cheese that we have sitting aside in a bowl. Y'all trust me, right? Don't say ill. We need some mayo, okay? You won't taste it, but it's gonna add a nice creaminess and some flavor. And now this looks a hot mess after you mix it together, but I'm adding in some grated Parmesan cheese. It can be shredded if you like, and some Monterey Jack cheese. And then we're gonna stir it all together. And lastly, sprinkle in our fresh green onion. It's gonna give us that nice freshness and flavor. Now, I'm using crescent dough sheets. You can use the regular crescent rolls. You would just need to press together the perforated little slots or dots they have. But anyway, I unrolled it, laid it down on some parchment paper. I'm using 2 of those sheets, and I just pressed it together in the center to make one large sheet. Okay, so now we're going to take our mixture, the crawfish stuffing, and just pile it into the center of those 2 crescent roll sheets. Again, you can use the sheets, the crescent dough sheets, excuse me, or the regular crescent rolls. Just press it together to make one big sheet. Hope that makes sense. And after we've done that, we want to lay on some mozzarella cheese slices. Just lay it on top. Then using a knife or a pizza cutter like I'm using, we want to make 1 inch wide slits on that exposed side of the dough. Then we're going to crisscross those strips across the middle, as you see me doing. Yours will be better. I suck at this. I didn't make my strips equal sizes, so it's all over the place, but you need it to look something like this. You want it to look more like a braid instead of a mummy. I got a mummy going on, don't matter, still good. So now we want to take some egg wash. Egg wash is just an egg yolk and some water, and we're going to brush that on top of our crust. Is going to make it nice and golden brown in the oven. So now we bake on 350 for about 25 minutes until it's nice and brown like so. All right, so try your hardest to wait 20 minutes before you cut into this stuff. Give it time to set so it doesn't fall apart like it's doing on me, because I couldn't wait. It smells so good. But cookies, the recipe link for my stuffed crawfish bread is in that link down there in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. Until next time, I gotta eat. Be blessed.